Feeling your age? It's time to move. Do you ever feel tired and sluggish? Are everyday tasks becoming a struggle? You are not alone. Many people feel this way, but there's a simple solution: exercise. Moving your body can completely transform how you feel. It can boost your energy levels and make you feel fantastic. Don't let age or a busy schedule hold you back. It's time to prioritize your health and well-being. Let's discover how exercise can make you feel amazing inside and out. Unleash your inner powerhouse. The benefits of exercise. Exercise is not just about looking good. It's about feeling great and living a healthier life. Exercise does so much more than just tone your muscles. It enhances your overall well-being, giving you more energy and vitality to tackle your daily tasks. It's a supercharge for your entire body and mind. When you engage in physical activities, you boost your cardiovascular health, improve your mental clarity, and elevate your mood. Regular physical activity helps you maintain a healthy weight. It burns calories, builds muscle, and increases your metabolism, making it easier to manage your weight. It also strengthens your heart and lungs. By improving your cardiovascular system, you enhance your endurance and stamina, allowing you to perform daily activities with ease. Exercise is a fantastic stress reliever. It helps you unwind and relax, reducing anxiety and depression. Physical activity can be a form of meditation, helping you find peace and balance. When you move your body, your brain releases endorphins. Endorphins have mood-boosting effects. They act as natural painkillers and improve your ability to sleep, which in turn reduces stress. They leave you feeling happier and more relaxed. But that's not all. Exercise also promotes social interaction, whether you're joining a fitness class or playing a team sport. Exercise can also improve your sleep, strengthen your bones, and enhance your flexibility. These benefits contribute to a more active and fulfilling life, and reduce your risk of chronic diseases. Regular exercise can help prevent conditions like heart disease, diabetes, and osteoporosis, ensuring you stay healthy as you age. It's like a magic potion for a healthier, happier you. So, get moving, stay active, and enjoy the countless benefits that exercise brings to your life.
Get your heart pumping. It's one of the best ways to keep your body in shape and your mind sharp. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned athlete, cardio can be tailored to fit your fitness level and goals. Cardiovascular exercise is any activity that gets your heart rate up and makes you breathe a little harder. Think of it as a workout for your heart and lungs. When you engage in cardio, you're strengthening these vital organs, making them more efficient at pumping blood and delivering oxygen throughout your body. Great examples of cardio include brisk walking, jogging, swimming, and even activities like hiking or playing sports. The key is to find something you enjoy so that it doesn't feel like a chore. Cycling and dancing are also fantastic options. These activities not only get your heart rate up, but also add an element of fun and excitement to your workout routine. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity cardio most days of the week. Consistency is key, and setting a regular schedule can help you stay on track and make exercise a habit. Moderate intensity means you should be able to talk in complete sentences, but not sing. This level of effort ensures you're working hard enough to benefit your heart without overexerting yourself. Cardio reduces the risk of heart disease, lowers blood pressure, and improves cholesterol levels. Plus, it boosts your overall stamina and endurance. It helps you burn calories and improve your mood. Regular cardio can aid in weight loss, and the release of endorphins during exercise can leave you feeling happier and more energized.
Build your strength. The power of resistance training. Strength training is like giving your muscles a power-up. It involves using resistance to challenge your muscles and make them stronger. You can use weights, resistance bands, or your own body weight for resistance. Examples of strength training exercises include squats, push-ups, lunges, and lifting weights. Aim to work all your major muscle groups twice a week. Strength training helps you build muscle mass, which boosts your metabolism and helps with weight management. It also strengthens your bones and improves your balance.
Finding your flow. Flexibility and balance exercises. Flexibility and balance exercises are like stretching and strengthening your body from the inside out. They help improve your range of motion, prevent injuries, and enhance your overall physical well-being. Stretching exercises like yoga, Pilates, and Tai Chi are fantastic for improving flexibility. These activities involve holding poses that target different muscle groups. Balance exercises like standing on one leg, heel-to-toe walk, and Tai Chi movements can enhance your stability and coordination. Aim to incorporate flexibility and balance exercises into your routine at least 2 to 3 times a week.
Age is just a number exercise for older adults and those with chronic conditions. Exercise is beneficial for people of all ages and fitness levels. Regular physical activity can also help manage weight, reduce the risk of chronic diseases, and improve mental health. If you're an older adult or have a chronic condition, staying active is more important than ever. Exercise can help manage symptoms, improve mobility, and enhance the quality of life. It can also help maintain independence and reduce the risk of falls. It's essential to talk to your doctor before starting any new exercise program, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. Your doctor can provide guidance on what types of exercises are safe and appropriate for you. They can help you determine the best exercises and intensity levels for your needs. A personal trainer or fitness coach can also provide personalized advice and support to help you achieve your fitness goals. For older adults, exercises like walking, swimming, and Tai Chi are excellent choices and are enjoyable as well. These activities are low impact and gentle on the joints. They can help reduce pain and stiffness, making it easier to stay active and healthy. Remember, it's never too late to start reaping the benefits of exercise. Whether you're just starting or looking to maintain your fitness, there are plenty of options to suit your needs and preferences. So, get moving and enjoy a healthier, more active lifestyle.
Finding your fitness groove. Tips for staying motivated. Starting an exercise routine can be challenging, but staying motivated is key. Find an activity you genuinely enjoy, whether it's dancing, hiking, swimming, or playing a sport. Set realistic goals and start slowly. Don't try to do too much too soon. Gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts over time. Find a workout buddy. Exercising with a friend or family member can make it more enjoyable and keep you accountable. Celebrate your progress. Start your fitness journey today. Incorporating exercise into your life doesn't have to be overwhelming. Start small, find activities you love, and make it a part of your routine. Your body and mind will thank you for it. Remember, consistency is key. Even a little bit of exercise each day can make a big difference over time. So what are you waiting for? Lace up your sneakers, put on some music, and start your fitness journey today.